See what we got in here. Got a light, which is strange because there isn't even a place to hook it to the camera. But I can use this on my Canon for sure, I believe. With a hot shoe. I'm not sure how this will work, but there's a light. I think it'll go to the Canon. Little bag. Need this. Awesome. Awesome. What else we got in here? Man, this tripod. Rinky-dink. That is nice. Wanting a rinky-dink tripod. Here we go. Yay! What else we got in here? Oh, we got a bunch of cleaners and wipers and doo-dah-days in there. So, what else? Oh, a little blow thing. Yeah, we got some dust in there. Spray it off. What do we got here? Also, okay, big time. We got the 32 gigabyte memory card. It's 8.0, so it'd be better if it was 10.0. I've noticed that some of these deals really don't give you the best quality of memory cards. Again, another lens cleaner thing. Just a little packet that you can hold your memory cards in. Everything seems to be smaller in this package than I was expecting. Reader, converter. Anyway, we got the Sony CX440 itself. It's hard to. Hey. How can we do this one-handed? Hold on. Alright. Let's see here. Yes. 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 Oh. Oh, this one has additional battery. My other one did not. Charger. Ta-da! There we go, fellas. Bam. Alright, so Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures has second camera team crew ready. Stay tuned.